All right, now that we know how to find the number of solutions, we are actually going to find the solution of the radicals. So to do that, we're going to use our calculator. We're going to use Math 5 Enter to type in any kind of root that we are wanting to find. So setting this up, we have n. So we have the nth root. I know that's an even number, so it's going to have 2 solutions. Inside of my root is going to be 6561. If I type that into my calculator by hitting 8, and then Math 5 Enter, I'm going to get an answer of 3. However, we know that there's supposed to be 2 solutions, so our answer is actually going to be plus minus 3. It could be positive or negative 3. Moving on, once again, we have an even root, so it's going to have at least 2 solutions. 4096 goes inside my calculator, and I get an answer of 4, but because I know I'm expecting 2 solutions, it's going to be plus minus 4. So we're going to replace n with 5. It's going to be the 5th root of 7776. So since it's an odd number this time, I'm only expecting 1 solution. And when I put that in the calculator, I get the number 6. Do that one more time. We have an odd root again, so we're going to expect 1 solution. 128 goes inside of my radical. Put that in the calculator, and I should get a 2.